go in. I brought gloves because most of these things, you don't know if they're clean or not, and I highly recommend that if you buy things from secondhand, you wash them first before wearing them or selling them. But yeah, I'm about to go in and spend some time rummaging and see what I find. Hello everybody. Please excuse the no makeup. I can't tell if this is zoomed in or out. I am headed to do a thrift shopping haul, I guess is what they call them. It's not quite a haul. What I do is I want to see if I can find things that I can resell. Things that are really, really high quality, good brands, popular styles, and see if I can resell them on my Poshmark boutique or on Mercari, which is another reselling app that I recently started using. So I'm gonna see if I find anything today, and if I do, I'll share that with you guys. Okay, so I'm here at the Goodwill Outlet, and it's pretty intense. I've been in here once before, but I've never actually shopped here because it was just too much. But basically what they do is there's bins of things, and then you can just kind of rummage through them, and they sell things by the pound. So you go through all these bins, and they're not separated, they're not really organized very well. You go through it, and whatever you buy is sold by the pound. So you could find something that's worth a lot and only pay like $1 or less than $1 if it's less than a pound. So I'm gonna go in. I brought gloves because most of these things, you don't know if they're clean or not, and I highly recommend that if you buy things from secondhand, you wash them first before wearing them or selling them. But yeah, I'm about to go in and spend some time rummaging and see what I find. Okay, so I'm back home. Let me try not to show y'all everything in my apartment. Okay, so I'm back home. I didn't want to show y'all the inside of the Goodwill because it's pretty rough up in there. This is not your typical Goodwill, basically, and I can probably link a video to someone else's video of them showing what it looks like. Basically, it's these large bins, and it's just full of stuff. And you rummage through it, and whatever you find, you put in your basket, and then they weigh it, and you pay by the weight. So I was doing clothing, and that's $1.49 per pound. I ended up spending about $14 and some change. Let me look at the exact amount. That's my grilled cheese sandwich. Where is my receipt? Okay, so this is my receipt, and it says that I spent $14.52, and I had 9 pounds of clothing. I found some really cool things. The majority of the stuff really is crap, like it's really bad. Really bad. I wore gloves. I brought gloves because I knew that some of the stuff would be soiled. Like one thing I touched this sweater and it was completely soaked. I don't know in what, but luckily I had my gloves on, so I didn't have to deal with whatever that mess is. And of course, I'm going to wash these immediately. But I found this really cute tank top from Zara. I think this might sell pretty well. This is a Brooks Brothers coat. You can actually sell this. It's like a blazer jacket. It's made of, let's see, what is this made of? It's made in Italy. So when I saw that, I was like, okay, this is probably gonna be worth something, you know. And it has the Brooks Brothers label on the inside. I'm trying to see what the fabric is because they sell things made out of wool and all kinds of high quality materials. So this is 100% wool, and it says dry clean only, so I might just sell it as it is. It doesn't look soiled. I checked everything and it looks perfect. No buttons are missing. I'm probably going to list this on the Real because that's one of the brands that they carry, and Brooks Brothers is actually quite expensive, so hopefully I can get some good. On the floor you go. Okay, I also found this really trendy crop top from Brandy Melville. Brandy Melville is really popular right now. It's got the whole 90s fashion vibe, and the girls are liking it. I don't wear any of her clothing, but this is cute. Like, I could probably pull it off. Like, I have the body for it, but I just don't really walk around with crop tops in the daytime if I'm not in my apartment or, you know, whatever. Found this really cute Lauren Conrad sweater. Not really sure about anything about her brand, but I thought it looked really nice, and it might be something that sells well. So I met this girl while I was there, and she gave me some pointers as far as like what to shop for. She told me to get familiar with anthropology brands because that's what really sells well on Poshmark. And she just kind of listed a few other brands that sell really well. And so I was on the lookout for those brands when I was doing my rummaging. I'm going to watch these today, and I'm going to do my best to list them all today, and then we'll see what ends up happening and how everything turns out. We'll see. I'll let you know if I sell anything.